So let's look at a couple more example problems where we have either complementary or supplementary angles. So in this example, we need to find the measure of angle x. And notice we're told that we have a right angle, and this right angle is split into two different parts. So whenever that's the case, when you have a right angle split into two, then you know that when you combine these two angles, that they're going to add up to 90 degrees. Or in other words, we have complementary angles here. So we can set up an equation that this AOB, this 73-degree angle, plus angle X, which is BOC, this is going to add up to 90 degrees. And actually, I'm just going to mark this as angle X here. So this is 90 degrees. And we can just solve this equation. So let's subtract 73 degrees on each side so that we get angle X. Well, if we take away 70, that brings us to 20. Taking away 3 more brings us to 17. And you can always check these by just adding them back together. Is it true that 17 plus 73 gives us 90? Well, 7 plus 73 is 80. Adding 10 more does bring us to 90. So X is 17 degrees here. And we'll do one more problem. And with this one, notice we have a straight line, and this line is cut into two different angles. So if we combine the two angles, if we add them together, they make up the angle of a line. And when two angles create the angle of a line, these are called supplementary. And the angle of a line is 180 degrees. So supplementary angles add up to 180. So we can set up that equation that this angle LOM, or angle X, plus this angle MON, or this 66-degree angle, these are going to add to 180. So to solve this equation, we just need to subtract 66 degrees on each side. And so angle X, if we take away 60, that brings us to 120. We take away 6 more, brings us to 114. And of course, we can check this by just plugging it in and double checking that these do combine to be 180. So if we add 6 to this, we get 120. 120 plus 60 is 180. So this looks to be our final answer here.